Welcome to my How to Solve YouTube channel, and here are the tips on manage call with AirPods Pro. This is my left AirPod in my hand and this is the Force sensor that works on Force Touch It. And another 2-speaker grill sensor covers up my finger so it feels like left AirPod is into the ear for the testing purpose. This Pro version doesn't work on a single or double tap just like the previous AirPods version. Just use 2 fingers to manage calls like answer the call, cut the call and declined call that sends busy tone using AirPod Pro-Force sensor. Now my teammate is doing a phone call me to accept this call using AirPods Force Touch. You have to forgot just tap on it. Use 2 finger to press once on AirPod stem to answer a call. Now we can start a conversation from AirPods Pro. Next is stop or cut the call from our end during conversation or end of the conversation. Again, press once on AirPods stem. The phone will cut the call. Next test is on decline call using AirPods Pro. When you receive a call, gently press 2 times on the stem of AirPods Pro. Your phone will send a busy tone to the caller and he or she will get notified and will call after some time. This is a professional way to ignore calls instead of cut the call.